Mm.
clients. Yun.
Wow. So, ito yung Julie na once you enter into an agreement or a contract with say a client, pag-uusapan nyo ngayon kung ano yung frequency nung kanilang paglagay ng seed money, no? Like, is it once a month? Is it once a week? Tsaka kung magkano? So, parang ang dinig ko sa'yo, very flexible siya. Tulad nga nun ni Teresa, nagsimula siya sa 500, tapos naging 1,000, 1,000. So, kung meron
Even
tayo
start
diyang,
big naman. If you have capital, for example, you have a 1 million peso right now.
wow,
We can
okay,
give you a quarterly rate of return ng 15,000 every quarter for life
not
or
bad.
even higher. So
Mm,
depending on the basket, that's a conservative basket.
mm,
So kung meron kang yeah, like I have this client no 20 million because nagkaroon siya ng sale sa lupa no
yes.
he sold a lot, a
Mm,
farm lot.
mm,
So the 20 million she invested.
mm.
So she's getting like 300,000 every quarter or more.